Hello everyone, my name is Aki Curtis and welcome to my channel. Today I want to conduct an in-depth comparison with two of the most iconic Dior bags. The Lady Dior versus the saddlebag. I will delve into the topic of how much they cost, how much they fit, which one is more versatile, and which one is a better investment. Let's break it down. Because the motivation of luxury purchase are often purely emotional. I need a new bag. Why? Because I do. Let me share a bit of their backgrounds and see which one you can vibe with more. The Lady Dior. She is one of the quintessentially classic luxury handbag. It is also the top-selling Christian Dior bag since its launch. That means it is timeless and she will never go out of style.
Good girl.
This bag is born in 1995 but made famous by Lady Diana, the Princess of Wales, and the bag has since received the name called Lady Dior. I think it was called like Chow Chow before. Like Lady Dior is better. And so, if you're a lover of classic bag, this bag is calling your name. And now the saddlebag. This funky shape bag was first introduced by designer John Galliano at the Spring-Summer 2000 runway. And it has since become the most talked about Y2K accessories. It was in the pop culture, it was in Sex and the City. Back in the day, when your bag is in Sex and the City, it was a big deal. It was a big deal.
Stop talking about someone else.
I love you too. I'll talk about you later. Fast forward to 2018. This style was brought back to the runway again by the menswear creative director Kim Jones and the womenswear creative director Maria Grazia Chiuri, and it was a big success. I have to say this, it's really rare to find a bag that looks good in every single angle. From the side, you see the beautiful equestrian saddle shape with the iconic initial D gold hardware. And from the front or from the back, oof, look at the C and D detail. That's gorgeous, right? There's no bag like the saddlebag. Ooh, there's no bag like the Lady Dior too. Okay, I love you both. No favoritism. Before I continue, I want to thank you idyl for sponsoring today's video. Yay, first sponsor! idyl is an ethical Antwerp-based diamond jewelry brand with very clever design. Amazing pricing for diamond too. Let me show you the pieces I got. This is how they look now. Oh, look at how gorgeous these are. If I wear an evening dress, I can transform them into this. Cool, right? You only need to buy one set of the diamond studs and create different looks with different add-ons. Same modular concept applies to their necklaces too. idyl jewelry are made out of 14-karat solid gold, which means that you can wear them to like swimming and shower and they won't oxidize or discolor. These lab-grown diamonds are sustainable and very sparkly. Check out their website as they always have amazing offers. Now, back to the Dior bags. Now, I want to talk about their size and pricings. For Lady Dior, it's so hard to pick the right size because I can see the appeal of every single size. They're all so cute.
So cute.
As for the saddlebag, however, I personally prefer the original size, which is the medium, because I feel that this size is just She doesn't like it when I talk about someone else. This size, it's just right for this unique shape. The aspect ratio of the leather part is just perfect with the hardware. So yeah, that's just me. Pricing wise, I know Dior increases their pricings every single year. So this is the pricing as at 2022. This lambskin small Lady Dior is 8,400 and this calfskin medium saddlebag is 6,200 New Zealand dollars. I know that different leather will have different pricing, so the fact that this is a legacy bag and also on lambskin means that this one will have a higher price. I think it has something to do with the fact that lambskin is a slightly more difficult leather to work with, so the atelier has to be really skillful and really experienced. And you know what that means. The Lady Dior bags will retain their value slightly better than other designer bags.
Value.
So now it leads to the next question. Which bag is a better investment bag? First of all, if you're buying a bag just so that you can resell later, don't. Buy a house, buy shares, buy land, not bags. But if you're after a designer bag that can last you years after years, they're both amazing. Based on history though, I do have a feeling that the Lady Dior bag will stand the test of time slightly better than the saddlebag, just because the Lady Dior has always been the OG of Christian Dior. They are top seller. They are Kim Kardashian of the family.
Actually, that's not a great example.
And the saddlebag was hot in 2000 and then went quiet in about 2006. And then it was hot again in 2018. So you know what I mean? Like, well, this one is. But then again, I'm not always the kind of person that likes to play safe. Sometimes I'm just like,
YOLO, I love this, take my money.
Now let's talk about the capacity of the Lady Dior versus the saddlebag. First of all, this is how the bags look on me. I hope this gives you a good idea of the sizes. Now let's talk about the measurements. This medium saddlebag is 25.5 centimeter times 20 centimeter times 6.5 centimeter. And the Lady Dior is 20 centimeter times 17 centimeter times 8 centimeter. But what do those measurements really mean? 5, 10? In that matter, let me show you what they actually fit so that you can visualize the size of these bags. So here we have a few of my very important daily items. And let's see how many items can I fit into these bags. I have taken up both of their straps and we're gonna start with the Lady Dior. First up, very important, looks like a perfect fit. Wallet, keys, powder, lipsticks, tissues, hand sanitizer, sunblock, very important, hand cream, sunglasses, and close perfectly. That's Lady Dior. Now let's move on to the saddlebag. Love this magnetic closure. So item number one, look at that, fits perfectly, even the same texture with my phone case, wallet, house key, lipsticks, tissue, powder, hand sanitizer.
Uh-oh.
Getting a bit tight in here. Sunblock's more important than hand cream. Sunglasses, because you always need to look cool. Okay, maybe not. I will ruin my sunglasses. So there we go. That's the capacity. And there you go. Next, my favorite part. I want to put some outfits on and see which one is more versatile. Let's go. You be the judge. Now, I want to start off with this outfit and see which bag fits better. Well, I say both work, don't you agree? Can't go wrong with a black bag. This will be carried like this. Little bit of thick Parisian vibe, but
Meh.
and then saddlebag. Yeah, that works. I really dig this detail. This is just amazing. Like front, side, back. Oh, so good. And next, I want to try something a bit more normal, a bit more casual. So, be right back. Okay, I have a tank top and baggy pants because we are heading to summer in New Zealand.
Noisy neighbors.
Baseball cap, perfect for off-duty, and finishing touch. Little bit of idyl. It is so ideal. Look at this necklace. So dainty. Okay, bags. Saddlebag. Can't do no wrong with casual outfits. Yeah, look. How hot is this? Oh! That's the way, I like it, Saddlebag works. Now let's try the Lady Dior. That works as well. Yeah, absolutely. What do you think? Which one do you prefer? And what should I try now? Let's put on some dresses. Let's go with this Christopher Asper because I am obsessed and beautiful things are meant to be worn more than once. So, wearing more than once.
Shoes.
Oh yeah, these babies. Yes. And finishing touch. Got some sparkles here, but what about the earrings? More is more. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Okay, now the bag. Ooh, to be honest, I didn't expect the saddlebag to work with an evening dress, but this is not bad. Even hold it like this. It's great. Okay, now what about the Lady Dior? Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
black on black always works. Feeling like $1 million. And now, let's try it with a colorful dress and see if these bags will still work.
Hello.
Get change. Ta! I'm back. This is a dress by an Australian brand called Age, and I love this brand. Look at the bag. Cute, right? Shoes, it was still good. And jewelry. Yeah, that works. I think they still work. Stay. Bag. Lady Dior. Oh yes. The lambskin honestly just makes everything like next level luxurious. Next, saddlebag. I think that works as well. They both give a very different vibe, but they both work. So I would say it just depends on what kind of vibe that you're after. So that was fun. I'm very thankful to have the options, but if you can only have one, I would say look in your wardrobe and see what kind of clothing or stuff do you have more and see which one of these will suit your personal style better. And that concludes the video. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao!